Hey guys, today I'm gonna do unboxing of two new puzzles. So one is this and one is this. So let's see what are they. First, let us go with this one. I have already opened it with this scissor just now. This is a cube pouch, and this is our puzzle. So let's see what's inside it. It's a 3x3x5 cuboid. So it looks a very interesting puzzle. It makes a very rough noise while turning. It looks like a Rubik's strand, but seems interesting to solve. Its turning is pretty comfortable. Looks like it can pop. So let's see if it changes its shape also. For that I have to do it on 45 degrees and then turn it, and yeah, it changes its shape. That's a pretty scary thing. And so overall this puzzle is very scary. I'll attempt to solve this puzzle in the very next video. Stay tuned for that. And now let's move on to our next puzzle, and let's see what's inside it. So let's see what's there. Again, one more pouch, two pouches I got. And very tight packaging isn't coming out. Looks like I have to tear the box. And yeah, my mat slipped off. And it's a clock. Wow, I didn't have a clock puzzle before. It's my first ever clock. Some sort of tutorial. I think I don't need it. Few cards, and this is a clock puzzle with a clock puzzle stand too. It has a pretty nice box too, and so comfortable. Seems a very interesting puzzle. In this we have to put all the dials in the same direction. And I think I did some mistake here. Wait a minute. I think I scrambled it now by mistake. No, I recovered it somehow. Not yet. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think now it should be solved. I somehow scrambled it, so I'll be solving it in the next bit. So as you can see, it's now scrambled already. So now let's scramble it more, because as you know it's scrambled and quality is very good. So let's scramble it full, because it was already scrambled by me accidentally. So meet you can in the next video. I'll be solving this clock puzzle. Goodbye, take care.